For this project, I'll be using this little engine drive Hobart. It's what the guy has, so it's what I'll be using. I don't know the model, but I don't think they make many more than this one and the one that kind of basically just looks like a Miller Bobcat. It just says Hobart on it. I'm welding along this. All right, so probably after about over an hour of messing with the machine, because we were having issues with that Hobart, we found out what the issue was, and I got some pretty nice beads laid down. That's all he wants right there. Those were from somebody else, and then their welder blew up, so I did those. And I believe he wants one more of those welded up at the top here, so I'll do that as well. All right, y'all, as you can see, I finished the welding on the bottom there. I don't know if I said this already, but those lighter ones, the clean ones, are the ones that I did, and then the ones over there somebody else did before their welder blew up. I did those welds right there. I still need to finish that off right there and underneath it. I need to weld the rebar on right there, top and bottom. And then, as you can see, I welded that top of that rebar right there. I need to do the bottom, and I welded that and that. I also welded on the sides of those. I didn't clean them off real well because the brush wouldn't get in there, but they're pretty good welds too. The issue that I'm having right now, why it's not done, is the welder that I was using. For some reason, it stopped welding, and I thought maybe the ground connection was wrong, so I tapped the stinger on the ground, or the electrode that I had on the stinger in the ground, and not a single spark, not an arc, not a spark, nothing. So we got to figure out what's wrong with that. But this right here is going pretty good. The welds look good. Everything is going real smoothly, so I'm happy about that. Then after that, I'll be bolting in those tall metal pieces right there. Be bolting those in, and there's going to be little tines that come out the bottom. And so that's all there is to that.